Suspicious action led to the recovery of firearm in cold stove. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Taurus 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 11 9mm rounds of ammunition was seized on Primrose Avenue in Olympic Garden, St. Andrew on Wednesday, October 26. A man was taken into custody in relation to the seizure. Reports from the Olympic Garden police are that at about 10:10 a.m., a team of officers were on patrol in the area when they saw a man acting in a suspicious manner that aroused their suspicion. On seeing the police, the man ran inside a yard and the law enforcement officers gave chase. While the police was inside the yard, the man was seen throwing an object into a coal stove. The object was retrieved and found out to be a firearm. The man was taken into custody. His identity is being withheld pending further investigation by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.